Get out of here. Right. No, it's not. It's in. It's in. Leave me alone. Oh man. This boat just got a little smaller.
Well, again, so much for not starting these in the car. But here I am. I'm on my way down to the shore. Today is awesome. I am finally meeting up with Richard from Fat Dad Fishing. There'll be a link to his channel in the description below. Please check out his stuff. He does amazing like instructional videos and just has some great content. So please check out his channel. Again, Fat Dad Fishing. Stay tuned for that. I don't want to spoil too much, make you watch all the way till the end. This is going to be our first compilation video, so check out his channel also. And I'll meet you guys out in the water. I don't think I've ever gone this way. Oh, okay. So one of the cool things about this trip was that these waters were not new to either one of us. Both of us have been fishing these waters our entire lives, but it definitely took Richard's knowledge for me to catch the fish that I did today. So please check out his channel again, Fat Dad Fishing. There's a link in the description below, and let's get to fishing. "28 feet, so we're right on the edge here. I'm getting hits already. There's a hit. 26 feet, 25 feet. So we're going up this ledge here. All right, Richard's all set. There we go. There we go. Fish on. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. There we go. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. 16 maybe. 16. Hey, that's a nice fish. I mean, he's excited. He's almost as excited as I am. Oh, I kind of foul hooked him, that's why. Oh. Nice release there. At least we're on the board. We got the day started. Ooh, there's a nice fish. There's a nice fish. Ooh, hoo, hoo. 7 feet of water. On the top gulp, on the teaser gulp. Nice fish. You're gonna like jumping out of the water. Come here, little buddy. That's another nice fish. Maybe 17 inches. A nice fish, right? Like, not bad. All right, fish number 2. Hey, 7 feet of water, so a lot shallower here.
There's like Townsend.
Yeah.
There's some good structure just 2 miles off.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there we go. I let him take that forever. Yep. He's going to be 16 and a half, but there's life. Not a bad fish, though. Come here, dude. Come on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's turning on. Come on, dude. You're fine. There we go. Yeah. 14, maybe? Maybe it's 14. There we go. There we go. Yeah, he's shaking his head. He's not a total monster, but no, he's 13 inches. Swallowed that gulp, though. Oh, he's spitting up a spearing. Yeah, he's got a little spearing coming out of his mouth. That is what they're feeding on. Check that out. All right. Finally. Well, this is fun. Now I can't go anywhere because I have to make sure these jet skiers aren't going to run me over. That seems incredibly close to where we are. This seems incredibly close. Next time I would say to stay in the channel. So the bite in the back bay definitely slowed down as the morning dragged on there, and as per usual this time of year in New Jersey, the keeper to short ratio is a little off. So we decided to head out through the inlet and see if we had any better luck out there. Couple shorts. Any tog? We just got to work through them. They're here. They're here. Yeah, neither have I.
They're all like 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
They're right there, but I think it's 15.
15?
Yeah, whoa, that's something nice. Fish on. Oh, nice weakie. Yeah. Oh, nice weakie. Ouch, I knew that was gonna happen. Nice weakie. Wow. He swallowed this thing. He swallowed that thing. 17. Yeah. He swallowed that hook. I think we're gonna eat him. Yeah. Hands down, my biggest of the year. I think that's a personal best weakie. Now, as you can see, I simply tied that weakfish off to my stringer and hung him alongside my kayak here. And while I was re-rigging a little bit later in the afternoon, I had a unexpected visitor here that got me just a little bit nervous. Oh, I think something just came up and took a look at my weak.
I was going to tell you there's some bluefish coming through.
Okay, I was going to say, leave my weakie alone. So by this point in the afternoon, there were bluefish jumping all over the inlet, and we definitely thought it was just a big old blue that had taken a swipe at my weakfish there. But looking back over this footage, you can clearly see the brown shark that had come up and taken a swipe at my weakfish. And I still wasn't too nervous until Richard was able to see that shark come after me one more time, and then I started to freak out just a little bit.
Oh, that's a big shark.
Whoa, get out of here! Right. No, it's not. Get the... It's in! It's in! Leave me alone!
Damn, I must have had a chunk of longer right now.
Leave me alone! That's... Oh, man! Boat just got a little smaller. So after I was done getting that weakfish put away securely into Richard's cooler, it was time to switch over to some tog. I was using a simple high-low rig and some crabs that I had gotten from the bait shop that I was cutting up and using about 1/4 of a crab on each hook there, just dropping down below me, using about 2 ounces of weight just to hold bottom. And the goal was not to just feed all of your bait to the tog. I'm just gonna let him take this. There we go. There you go. It seemed like it. Hey, it's a tog. Yeah, maybe 13 inches on clam. Nice little tog. All right. Get out of the rocks, 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 get out of the rocks. Nice. Oh, there what? Oh, nice little tog here. Nice. Best tog of the day. Nice fish. Look at that. Right? How big is he? He's probably 13, 12, 13. There, dude. Nice. Nice little tog there. Now, as you guys may have noticed with that last hook set, there wasn't really a hook set. It was just me applying gentle pressure. I was using a circle hook type of hook for these tog here, which required me to, instead of quickly jerking the rod back, required just gentle pressure to be added so that hook can catch in the corner of the tog's mouth and they can be released unharmed. So just see if you can notice the difference in the hook set with this last tog here. There we go. Deep water too. How cool would that be if this was a trigger? I don't know why I thought that, but ooh. Come on, dude. Another tog. Whoa, on the clam. Whoa, on the clam. Tog like clam too. These are not bad tog. Whoa. Does not want to come to the boat. Who would have thought? Nice tog. This guy might keep. This is a nice tog. On the clam. I did not even know they ate clams. I guess they're crustaceans. Are they? I don't know. Look at that tog. Oh man. He's gonna be 35, 13. Later, dude. So it was about this point in the day that the tide had changed and we saw some weather moving in behind us, so we decided to head for the barn and pay attention on the way back. As you can see, there was definitely some stormy weather working its way in, but we were able to catch a few fish on the way back, and it was overall a great day. Please check out Richard's channel, Fat Dad Fishing. There'll be a link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll end here with a little visit from the Coast Guard. The free bridge. Yeah, yep. Yeah, we're working our way back. Cool, thank you very much, sir. Like, wait, are we getting in trouble? And I was like, oh, all right, fair enough. He's